everybody, hola and welcome to another unboxing video. Yes, it is been a while, and today we have 2021 mainline case G. Yes, it is. Got it from my good friend at trendycounty.com. You can check the video description for details on how to order one, and watch until the end cause I got a special deal for you guys, my fans from YouTube. Yes, it is. So without further ado, let's open it up. Yup. Take a look. I'm not sure what's the super treasure hunt or the regular treasure hunt, or if there's any ID inside, which casting is used. So yeah, it's been in the market for a number of countries. I think in the US also got the G case already, Australia and everything, and I only got this recently. So first off, oh, new to the case, the 2020 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 on the HW Talk. Is it new to the case? Maybe number 143. I'm not so sure if this is the super treasure hunt casting. Yeah, nice. New to the case, the Arachnarod Street Beast. Look at the crazy color there. Yes, it is number 147. So I don't think this is a super treasure hunt. Awesome. Not really awesome. Nope. Oh, another new to the case, the 17 Acura NSX from the HW Turbo, number 148 in red. Look at that. Beautiful. Yes, it is. A recolor of the 17 Lamborghini Urus, factory fresh, in white, previously in white blue, maybe. Oh, new to the case, look at that, the Nissan R390 GTI. Look at that, number 138. See that, GRX35. So in case you're wondering, the casting code GRX35. That beautiful. Using smaller wheels at the back. Oh no, the same. Awesome. Yes, it is. And from the previous case, the retroactive. Nothing much to say. Number 29. This is number 138. From the previous case, I think Buns of Steel. Number 15, a recolor. I'm not sure is it from the previous case or from this case. Interesting. From the previous case, the recolor of the Toyota E86 Sprinter Trueno. Yup, a 31. And also a new casting of the custom small box from the previous case. We have two of those 17 Lamborghini Urus. Yup, two of those now. New to the case, the Diora 2, I believe. You see that? This is the regular treasure hunt. There's a circle flame logo. Diora 2, look at that. Nice. Any changes to the casting? Maybe you can check below. So there's a changes to casting, as you can see. 1999, 2020. So there's a change in the casting itself. You guys can comment what do you think is the changes. Yep. So this is the regular treasure hunt. Nice. From the previous case, the 32 Ford. Yep. What's this number is there? The 144 for the Diora 2. Yep. Diora 2. Another 32 Ford. Awesome. From the previous case, I think the Hot Wheels Ford Transit Connect, a recolor. Yes, it is. The Volvo 850 State yellow, which is awesome. A recolor, nice. Nice. Also a recolor, the Toyota off-road truck, previous orange, now red. The 4, which are the Baja Blazers. Look at that. Awesome. Another retroactive. And Tank Nader from the previous case, I think a recolor. Yup. You got another bunch of steel, not that interesting. A recall of the 2020 Jaguar F-Type. Yup, look at that. Now in grey, nice. And from the previous case, the Mazda RX-3, the Mad Mike normal casting, a super treasure from the previous case. For the previous case, yes it is. Oh, look at that, the DA Vance Nater. Wow. Race day number 140, new to the case. Look at that. GRX 64 for the 54 for the code. So there's the sort of like a moving part there. Yep, that is awesome. Yep, a new casting. Robo Race Robo Car HW Green Speed, now in white, blue, black, number 152. Yep. From the previous case, the 89 Porsche 944 Turbo, Magnus Walker Urban Outlaw. Every color. Are we there yet? New to the case, HW Getaways, a recolor. Yep, look at that. Crazy recolor actually. Oh, new to the case, the mine cart. Not your typical mine cart color there. Number 142, HW screen time. Look at that. And it's actually sort of like a what is it called? It's not a flat surface there. Yep. Screen time, nice. And another Tank Nader. Yep. Slide Kick, a recolor, X Racers. Is it a recolor? No, this is the first color, 153 X Racers Slide Kick. Interesting. Eruption, HW Space. Now, cool color actually, 150. Nice. And from the previous case, the Cosmic Coupe, 135, a new casting. Yes, it is. Oh, new to the case, HW screen time, the Rally Baja Crawler. Look at that. From the Fast and Furious Spy Racers, 141. What's the number of the casting? GRX 38 maybe? No, what is it? No, this is a GMM 32. Okay, interesting. GMM 32. Yep, nice. A recolor of the 96 Porsche Carrera. Wow. New to the case, La Troca HW Art Cars. Look at that black with gold pinstripe there. That is beautiful with a gold base. Yes, it is La Troca. So it's a new casting. Interestingly, GRY 35. GRY 35. Look at that. Interesting. This is a new casting. See that? 2020 Mattel. Weird. Okay. Wow. Fish there. A new casting, La Troca. And the last three for the first layer. It's the 64 Corvette Stingray recolor. Yes, it is in white. Another 89 Porsche 944 Turbo. And the last one, another Mazda RX-3. Nice. So there you go. First layer. Nice gloves. Moving on. So far we've only found the regular treasure hunt. Nothing major there. So the total disposal HW Metro 139 Hot Wheels 2022 April 22, which is the Earth Day. Look at that. Awesome. Why is it 2022? Not yet 2022, but there you go. Nice. Oh, next to the case, the 2017 Camaro ZL1 then and now. Look at that. Number 154. Orange with white stripe. Number 17. Beautiful. And a recolor of the Zombot under the Mattel Games Rock'em Sock'em, the blue one. So we have the red one and the blue one. Zombot. Nice. We've got another Toyota A86 printed Trueno. Yes, it is. We've got another Rally Baja Crawler. Yup. And the Quad Rod. Quad Rod, a recolor. Not that interesting. Oh, look at that. Mattel Games 2010 Pro Stock Camaro Pictionary. Yeah. Yellow and blue. Not really good combination color. Yep. Okay. Okie dokie. Oh, we've got another Nissan R390 GTI, which is awesome. And we got the 70 Dodge Power Wagon. This should be a recolor, right? Yeah, from the previous case, I think. We've got the Cosmic Coupe, another one. Another Cosmic Coupe. Oh, new to the case. Look at that. The 70 Toyota Celica. This is awesome. You can see that Kaido house. Oh, wow. Jun Imais. Beautiful Kaido house. Look at that. Number 151 J Imports. Nice color there. Yes, it is. Awesome. We've got another 17 Acura NSX. Yes, it is. Two of those already. From the previous case, the bigger Bel Air in red, which is, look at that. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. And also, this is also wow, the 2018 Bentley Continental GT3 from the previous case. Nice. And another 96 Porsche Carrera. Look at that. Wow. Mwah. Another 64 Corvette Stingray. Yup. From previous case, the Triumph TR6, a recolor. And another 70 Dodge Power Wagon. Yup. Hot Wheels Ford Transit Connect. Two of those now. 2019 Corvette ZR1 convertible HW Torque. From the previous case, now in white. And another 2018 Bentley Continental GT3. Nice, 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 nice. Oh, a recolor of the Dodge Band, the Dodgy Band, now in yellow. RIP Ryu Asada. Yes, it is. Look at that. Beautiful. Now this is the Moon Ice color. Nice. The Land Rover Defender 90. A recolor maybe, I think so. Previously white and olive green. A Rigomoto from the previous case. We've got another Volvo 850 Estate. Nice. A bigger Bel Air, another one. Two of those now. And the matte props from the previous case. Look at that, the crazy color T-Rex Troyer. Wow, this electric green. Look at that. Okay. Okay. New to the case, the Batman Arkham Knight Batmobile in the camo color there. Yeah, this is the Batman. So it's a recolor, is it? Maybe, I think it's a recolor. Batman. And Road Bandit Art Cars. A recolor. Yes, it is. Road Bandit. We got another DA Vancinator. Another 19 Corvette ZR1 convertible. And another Triumph TR6. And the last one, obviously no Super Trash Hunt or even ID, just a regular Trash Hunt. Another Land Rover Defender 90. Another Rigor Moto. And the recolor of the Toon Twin Mail, a red one. Yes, it is. Look at that. Nice. So there you go, the G Case 2021. And the highlights for me is this four. The 70 so Toyota Celica, Nissan R390 GTI, the Dodge Van, a recolor, Moon Ice Yellow, and the La Troca. Look at that, that is beautiful. Black and gold. Yes, it is. So, what you guys think? G Case. And before you go, I would like to tell you that whoever wants to buy a case from Trendy County, yep, via the online, I put it the link in the description below. Put a discount code MUAZ Rules, MUAZ Rules, RULES, and you got yourself a 30 ringgit Malaysia discount. Yep, don't forget that. Apply the discount code MUAZ Rules when you buy the case from Trendy County, and you get yourself a discount. And also a tip, the discount applies to the order. So if you want to order more than one case, do the order separately. One case, one order, apply the code. One case, one order, apply the code. Yes, that's a tip for today. Yes, it is. So thank you for the trendycounty.com for the case. Don't forget to get your case from trendycounty.com. Now, that's not only the G case but also H case, which I'm going to do an unboxing soon. Haven't subscribe, click the bell button. Share if you want, comment down below, give a thumbs up. Look at the nice glove there. Yes, it is. Talk to you later. See you soon. Bye.